Home remedies to get rid of pimples that work fast. Baking soda. Baking soda has numerous uses. It can be used as an antiperspirant, toothpaste, and even home remedies for skin peeling. It can exfoliate the skin and remove dirt and abundant soil. Baking soda also contains anti-inflammatory properties which help reduce redness, swelling, and irritation of the skin. Direction: make a smooth paste by blending 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water. Wash your skin thoroughly. Apply the paste to the pimples and wait for 15 minutes. Rinse your face with cool water and pat dry. You can do this twice a day for quick results. If you feel sting too much, take it off immediately. Note: if you have sensitive skin, you should avoid this method because it may result in dryness, redness, and irritation. Cucumber. Cucumber is rich in potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which help remove dead skin cells, dirt, and bacteria. It also contains vitamins A, C, and E, which can help reduce the skin inflammation. The antioxidant properties of cucumber can help cool and reduce the redness of the skin. Also, it can help the skin well hydrated because the 90% of cucumber is water. Direction: cut cucumbers into pieces and blend to make a paste. Wash your skin with a mild soap and water. Apply the paste to the affected skin and let the skin absorb for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse off with water. Repeat this process twice a day. Note: you can also make a cucumber face mask with honey, tomato juice, sandalwood powder, and yogurt. Papaya. Papaya is a rich source of papain and chymopapane, which has antibacterial properties, antifungal properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and antiviral properties. It can exfoliate the skin, unclog the pores, and remove the excess lipids. It also contains beta-carotene, vitamin B, and C, which help reduce the redness, swelling, and help your skin soft and smooth. In addition, papaya can strengthen your immune system to fight the formation of dark spots, pimples, and other blemishes. Direction: put raw papaya pieces in a blend. Crush and extract juice. Wash face with water and let it dry. Apply the paste to the affected area and wait for 20 to 30 minutes before washing off. You can do this twice a day to get a quick result. You can also make a face mask with honey, yogurt, or cream and papaya. Apply the mask to the clean skin and wait for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more natural remedies video. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.